I can understand and empathize with the parents with children of disabilities, sometimes major disabilities, but it has been time and again shown that inclusive is the right policy, and the faster we include the children into the mainstream, it is better for them. There are 3-4 aspects where parents are skeptical about putting their children in the mainstream. One is whether the other children will accept that child, and the second is whether the child will be able to cope not only with the studies but also cope with being around with those children, going up, climbing floors, going and playing with these children, and being able to study and cope with the studies. I can only reassure these parents that inclusiveness it works. We have seen a lot of case reports and case studies where children have done remarkably well in education and getting used to when they are put into the mainstream. The fact that the other children accept these children very easily, quite often we see the other children in the same age actually mentoring these children as far as their education is concerned, and also giving them special privileges which are concerned, which happens with the children and with the teachers. So I think inclusiveness is the way forward, and parents have to actually understand, and they have to be positive. They have to make sure that these children are accepted. It is very rare instances where these children are segregated or ostracized. More often than not, these children are very well accepted by their peers. I've seen young children helping the children with disabilities come to school. They actually help them with picking up their bags, they help them at lunchtime, they help them in sports. The children themselves give them special privileges to include them. I've seen young children actually mentoring these children, making sure that they complete their homework. If their homework is not completed or their class work is not completed, they complete it for them. They help them in their projects. So I don't think children actually discriminate. I think the discrimination is in the minds, and quite often in the minds of the elders. In the school, I think if teachers are made aware and teachers are taught, we often feel that teachers would discriminate, but teachers do not discriminate, because teachers nowadays are taught to handle children with disabilities, and they actually do it quite well. Yes, these children do need supervision. Quite often they may need more extra attention. The teacher may have to put in a little more extra hours to help these children cope up. But it is not an impossible job. It is a hard job, but it is not impossible.